Hello and welcome. Today we've got this Milwaukee grease gun and it's going. It's got that horrendous noise. You have to forgive the wind outside because Storm Dara is attacking us today. But anyway, to fix that, all you need is this. This goes between the gearbox and the motor. So we're going to have to open this, put this on, and that'll solve the problem. As you see, somebody's done the little conversion to the bigger tubes, but you see, these are the 500 gram tubes. But anyway, we'll talk about that another day. That's another story. If you're interested, you need a T20 torque to take this off. All the screws are TX20s. That's security torques. There. Correction, they're not security, but they are T10. Sorry, T20. There's no little raised up piece in the middle that makes them security torque, but I always buy the security torques because that does both. I'll get this lid off for you now. One more screw here, you have to listen. Is there T10 or T15? Right, that's a T15 there. That should lift that. Again, a TX15 for that job. This should allow us to lift the side off now, hopefully. I haven't missed any screws. Oh, I missed one. And there we are. It's always one, isn't it? Right, I have them all, I think, now. Alright. Should get it now. There we are. And that's the side off. This is a fairly simple procedure. It really goes on there, just that's up there. So we'll have to get this out. There we are. I'll sort that. Allow us to ease this out a little bit and get this off. That's probably as far as we need to go with a tear down. And as you can see, this is fairly simple. You just take it off the way it would. Take it off and put the other one on the way it's on, and it's only on with two Phillips head screws. I'll get down closer so you can see that and see what we're doing here. They're tight to get a little spring washer on them. Sorry about the excess one today, but that couldn't be helped. It's just the Mother Nature is up today and remind us how small we are. Storm Dara has been doing a wee bit of devastation across the country last night and this morning, so but the show must go on here. That's straight on there. I'll put it on good and tight because it was on tight, so it's as tight as I can put it on without shearing the screws. See, the cog go into the gears, which you can do first time sometimes, and sometimes you just can't. It's just one of those things. Here we are. You're cogged into the gears, and then there's two little wing tips that she has to go onto. There's a wee part in this that she has to clip onto, and she appears to be in place there. So I'll put everything back in the way it was and tighten all up and get her back together. That's her all screwed together. That's the old part. So it's a moment of truth. All I have to do is put in a battery and test it. Here we are. See, it's pumping out the grease, and that screeching noise has vanished. So I'm calling that fixed, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.